Start first by uploading your file. Click on this button. You will see all the type of files that SIwave can support, mainly IPC2581 and ODB++. Go to Simulation, select Crosstalk Scan. Select all the lines that you want to scan, RF lines and even power planes. If you have differential, you can select them, extended differential. You can select more than one line and you can change the setup here. This column is about the far end crosstalk. If it's 0.1, then it gives you a warning. If it's 0.2, it gives you a violation. Same thing for the near end, and we launch. Now we show the results. We show the near end. Again, hide everything. Display only the lines, and the colors indicate the values of the crosstalk. How much crosstalk each section is getting from the rest of the structure. We look at the far end. Same thing. We can also see warning and violation. So let's display the near end first. So as you can see, we don't have any section that's violating. There are warnings. So warnings means that these areas are very weak areas when it comes to crosstalk. You can display the far end. Same thing. As you can see, for the far end, we see some violation. Again, the same thing. It doesn't mean that you have crosstalk, but if you looked at the S parameters and you discovered that there is crosstalk, then you know exactly which section of that line you need to zoom in and shield more.